Angels, Karshi here, and welcome to another RC Beauty Diary. Good day! Hi Karshi! We are very excited and looking forward for you to try our products and be a part of the growing number of users that have experienced the hashtag Be Natural with Baby Angel CS. Thank you for your kindness and we are looking forward to work with you again in the near future. Ako din po. As our Baby Angels ambassador on its state in developing new products. So, Baby Angels Cosmetic Shop. Ayan. So, thank you and God bless. Kind regards, your Baby Angels family. Thank you. Thank you so much po, Baby Angel.
친구라 하기엔 더 가까운 것 같은데 우린 그래서
Hi guys! So, welcome back. It's been a while since the last time na nakapag-create tayo or nakapag-review tayo ng beauty product dito sa RC Beauty Diaries. Ngayon, for this video, I would like to thank Baby Angels Cosmetic Shop. Ayan, medyo paus-paus pa tayo guys for some reason, no? Dahil very kulang ang tulog natin from yesterday. Ayan, and kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong very kakulay ko yung background today. Ayan, very at-theme tayo today. Pero bago natin simulan ang video na to, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga new reviews dito sa RC Beauty Diaries. Okay, so for today's video nga guys, mag-unboxing tayo. And I heard that there's something special about this unboxing that we're gonna be doing. But first, thank you again sa Baby Angels Cosmetic Shop. Ayan, for sending us another moms. Ayan, i-open ko na siya guys, no? Nila. Ayan. Color ng aking background, ang kanyang box. Paalala, hindi ito ordinaryong kahon. Gusto mo bang maglaro? Sagutin lamang ang mga katanungan at mayroong nakahandang sorpresa sa bawat sagot mo. Handa ka na ba? Grabe na mga challenging naman to kasi may mga pa-question, guys. Wait, hindi nga siya, guys, very personalized ang kanyang box. Pero ginawa niya talaga ang kanyang mga box. If you guys remember, when we were in high school, di ba meron tayo nung high school elementary na meron tayo nung parang ginagawang paper, tapos you try to open it, tapos may mga part-part siya. Parang ganun yung klase ng pagkakagawa niya sa box niya. So, sabi kasi may question. Ito yung number 1 question niya, guys. Number 1. Can you impersonate someone famous? Oh my God! Ang hirap naman. Teka lang ha. Pero sabi nila, kaboses ko daw si Angel Locsin. So, let's try this. Grabe kayo guys ha. Sa totoo lang, boses lang naman yata yung minsan akala nila parang Angel. Impersonate. So, that's for my impersonation. So, ang ganda. Guys, so look. Ang cute. Ganyan siya. Ganyan yung box. But we'll have a better, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, tapos box siya, oh. Ayan, ganyan siya. Number 2. What's the question with number 2? Proudest moment in high school. When I joined, Science Quiz B. That was when I was in first year. I joined Science Quiz B and luckily, nanalo ko with my group. Nakakatawa kasi I represent first year group nun. So, I guess I have to thankful with my group mates that time. So, that's my proudest moment when I was in high school. Ay, hindi, add ko lang. When I was in high school, parang I get to be booked 3 times as a student teacher from high school from first year to 4th year. So, ayun. So, I think that was the time na medyo na-develop ko na yung confidence ko sa sarili ko that time. So, dito sa number 2, what I have here is My Bro But Better. Ito yung kanilang eyebrow pomade. Ayan. For number 3, what other language do you speak? Oh my God. I think this question is very personalized. Other language that I speak, Korean. 여러분, 안녕하세요. 저는 karsi입니다. 만나서 반가워요. Number 3. Oh, ang cute. Grabe, sobrang natutuwa ko how personalized this box is. For sure, like, Sobrang nag-effort. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang lip tint. This is Choco Love Baby Angel Cosmetic Shop. Ayan. Choco Love to, guys. Number 4. What is your ultimate goal in life? For me, my ultimate goal in life is basically really know what's my purpose. 'Di ba? My existence, my purpose, and my existence. And maximize the things that I have and ma-share ko siya sa mga tao sa paligid ko. 'Di ba? Kasi I think that's the main purpose na meron tayo. At dahil dyan, that's also the main purpose of the lipstick. Ayan. Meron tayo. Pinili ko yung Cat Lira. Ayan. And I'm so excited to try this soon. If you won the lottery, what would you do? Ay, kung mananalo ako sa lottery, anong gagawin ko? Siyempre, bibili ako na... Sige, pag nanalo ako sa lottery, syempre bibili ko lahat ng basic needs ko, diba? Bahay, lupa, sasakyan, ano pa ba? Business, ayan, magtayo ako ng business para ma-maximize ko naman yung panalo sa lottery. And syempre, mag-travel. I'm gonna mag-travel sa Korea and I'm gonna treat my friends, my family. O, diba? Saan pa kayo? So, medyo simple lang naman, diba? Simple pero nilahat ko na. Para may forever. Charot, may forever. And for number 5, we have this, My Bro But Better. Ceja de Erin. Oh, it's another lipstick, guys. For number 1. Ayan. And this one is Topsy. Oh my God, my friend has a brand. Topsy lipstick. So, grabe, sobrang excited ako to give this a try. But pretty much that's it. Grabe, I'm so amazed. I'm so amazed how Baby Angel Cosmetics parang nag-effort sila to really have this personalized. I mean, nowadays kasi, diba, knowing people would have their business, they would rely more on getting those sa mga ready na. But dito sobrang personalized siya. And, ayan, I can see talagang super effort. So, yun, pretty much that is for our unboxing with this. Yan. Maraming salamat. And, guys, please do follow Baby Angel Cosmetics. And, please, abangan nyo po ang review ko dito sa mga products na pinadala nila. The lipstick, the lip tint, yung brow pomade, as well as another eyebrow styling soap. It's my first time to try this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next vlog. We'll go ahead and review these products from Baby Angel Cosmetics.